suspect that she was, according to the mom, she was at the back. Then how would she have abdominal pains? How would she have abdominal pains? You can't have abdominal pains for being penetrated from the back. And regardless of that, if this was a serious thing, I don't think she would have seen Ucwebe after 2 days. If this was really, really serious to that extent where she would still feel pain after 7 months, I don't think that, not personally, she would see Umtwana after 2 days. And I don't think the person who picked her up from school wouldn't see anything wrong with her. And on this other podcast, Umtwana was not having any problems. She was just bubbly as always.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So we are trending ama pictures anemholi we-EFF uJulius Wakamalema. So people are saying ukuthi finally siyabona ukuthi kutoba khona i-progress tuweliqala alaqoqwa now that siyabona ukuthi so many social. So people are saying ukuthi hayi siyatibuta ukuthi nidzinga letinjani now that senihlangene. So siyaqoqa ukuthi kunebantu laba believela kakhulu guys kuMalema. They just have so much faith Julius Malema ngendlela ukuthi people even think ukuthi uma ngaba i-president yala eMzansi angenda letibukwa kutinda ngenda iNingizimu Afrika kube nje livele lishintshile. And there are people who think ukuthi ayibo uyiclown nje uMalema yikho indzaba yakhe awumuntu nje naye lo just who wants a piece of a pie but nje ayikho indzaba yakhe. So bantu bathi mbona mina makoqoqwe bajabula ngendlela lesibangisa ukuthi icase yaxoxwa case libucayi kakhulu, and icase le ayisukumise abantu abaningi batoyitoya. Ngiyakutshela wena, but it seems like there is no progress. Ngazuthi njena it's just a cold case lefuna kufana nale case yaSenzomiwe into yakudala 2010, but still namhlanje lokhu bahluleka kuyisolve iyafana nje anale case yaxoxwa. So akunebantu futhi who are actually saying ukuthi yoma waxoxa unemanga mntwana beka constipated nani labanye bamana makaxoxe and some against makaxoxe bathi nje nakufana kakhulu neqiniso ngokuthi what really happened emntwaneni wakhe, and if bamdlengulile ngempela akakhulumi iqiniso because yena it seems like she's protecting someone lamadi ukuthi awende lento sathi because ingcondo atifani and nokuqabanga kwethu futhi akufani guys. So wonke umuntu ngicabanga ukuthi une right ukuba ne opinion yakhe about this matter, but kubhlungu na mase kuyofika kumaxoxwe tinto letfana letikhuluma abantu lapha kuma social media platforms letithi akakhulumi iqiniso. Please do comment what you think down on the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.